Single phase capacitance with earth. Okay, so ito may mga given tayo, tapos ito yung formula ng capacitance. Yung formula ng capacitance, single phase, pi, permittivity. Not to be confused with three phase, no? Yung three phase merong 2 eh. Okay. So single phase, walang 2. Okay, pi permittivity lang. Okay. So ito yung may mga given tayo, no? So single phase, meron tayong kable dito. Ayan. Kable. Okay. Ayaw magbilog ka. So yung distance nila is 1.5 meters. Tapos meron silang diameter na 0.552, no? Notice, ito yung ano natin, no? Ito yung meron na tayong distance tsaka outer diameter. So meron na tayo agad nitong d over r. Okay? So hanapin na natin is yung hx to x prime tsaka hx to y prime. So ano ba tong hx to x prime tsaka hx to y prime? So ito yung kable natin, no? And ito pa, merong height. Ito, sabihin natin itong line niya na to, merong height na 5.49 meters, no? Let's call this let's call this conductor X and this conductor Y. Ngayon, yung hx to x prime, ang gagawin natin dito, gagawa tayo ng parang image conductor or yung mirror, no? Yung i-mirror natin, no? So same distance natin. Kung ano yung distance nitong x to the ground, yun din yung distance nitong x prime to the ground, no? From the ground, no? Okay, so ang magiging hx to x prime natin is 2h, no? Minultiply by 2 lang natin. And yung hx to xy naman, ay nandito pala yung y, no? Y prime, no? Yung image ni y. Y prime. Notice yung distance nito ni x to y prime is Pythagorean theorem, no? So distance square, ayan, distance square plus 2h square, no? Makukuha natin yung formula na to. And ayun, makukuha na natin yung ano, bali substitute natin dito. Meron tayong age, meron tayong distance. So substitute natin lahat ng values na to, makukuha natin yung capacitance, which is in farad per meter. So ganun lang kasimple yung single phase capacitance with earth.